Hello everyone, welcome to this Python tutorial. Today we are going to build a very simple but fun beginner project, a number guessing game. We'll be using Python's random module, and by the end of this video, you'll understand how random numbers work and how to interact with users through input and output. First, at the top of our code, we write, import random. This allows us to use Python's random functions, like generating random numbers. Without this line, we can't make the computer pick a random number. Next, we define a function called guessing. A function is just a block of code we can reuse. Inside, the game logic will run. We also print a welcome message, print, welcome guessing numbers for beginners, so when the game starts, the player knows what this program does. Now we need the computer to pick a number between 1 and 100. We do this with number of guessing equals random.randint 100. This gives us a random number. We also make a counter, numbers equals 0. This keeps track of how many guesses the player makes. We want the game to keep asking the player until they guess correctly. For that, we use a while true loop. That means, repeat forever, or until we break out when the guess is correct. Inside the loop, we ask the user for input, guess equals int, input, right numbers. We also add 1 to the counter every time they guess. Now comes the fun part, checking the guess. If the guess is too low, we print, this is too low. If the guess is too high, we print, this is too high. And if the guess is equal to the random number, then the player has won. We print, congrats you get it, number of guessing, this is attempts, numbers. This tells the player the right number and how many attempts they took. But what if the player types something that is not a number? Python will give an error. To prevent that, we use try and except. If the input is not valid, our program catches it and prints. Print, this is wrong so please write numbers thank you. This makes the game more user-friendly. Finally, at the very bottom, we call our function with guessing. Now when we run the program, it starts the guessing game. And that's it. You've built your first beginner Python game using the random module. Try playing it and see how many attempts it takes you to guess the number. If you found this helpful, don't forget to practice by modifying the range or adding more features. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!